how to unblock a blocked person in Messenger. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can unblock a blocked person on Messenger. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is simply open up our Messenger application by tapping onto the app icon. And now once we are inside the Messenger, we need to find that particular person whom we blocked. If you want to access a list of all of the persons that you have blocked, then you'll need to click onto this menu option at the bottom right, and then in the menu option you will need to click onto settings. Now within the settings you can scroll down until you see the privacy and safety option. So click on privacy and safety, and from here scroll down and you will see the blocked accounts. Click on blocked account and you will see the name of the persons whom you have blocked. So I have only blocked this guy, so let me unblock him. So I'll simply click onto them and it says unblock their name. So unblocking won't add them as a friend in Facebook, although you won't be able to block them again for 48 hours. So if you want to unblock them, you can click on unblock and you can see that it says unblocking, and then you will see that they have been successfully unblocked and have been removed from the list. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.